Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and today I just want to tell you right now before I start saying something, go right now, drop a like, subscribe, make those buttons blow up because I'm going to be showing you how to make a simulator from scratch and it's just going to be epic, okay? It's going to have a lot of parts, it's going to be long, but at the end you're going to have a full simulator just like Zebra Simulator or anything else. So, hope you're ready because this is going to be hard, advanced, but guess what? I know you can do it. So let's get right in. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're simply going to it's kind of going to be a speed run, so you're going to have to stop and yeah, it's not going to be speeded though. I'm just fast. I'm speed. So, let's insert a tool. Insert a part. Call it a handle. Oopsies, I did not mean to do that. Call it handle. Okay, so now if we play, we should be able to grab this. Okay, so let's actually just drag this into workspace real quick. Put this up, scale this down, focus, put this like that. Okay, alright, so it seems good. Let's duplicate that and scale that up. Now what we're gonna do, we're going to put this down a little bit and simply drag this to the other side. So we have a weird looking dumbbell, but guess what? It's still a dumbbell. So okay, here we have it. Let's actually change the material from plastic to smooth plastic, so everything looks nice and smooth. Okay, so now we're going to union this. Let's go. Okay, those are okay, perfect. So okay, where's that union button? Where's that union button? Union. Okay, so now we're going to drag this in the tool. Now if we play, we should be able to grab on the tool, and I guess it's something interesting. Okay, so alright, so I literally did an error, so I think this was still called union. We gotta call it handle. So here, that was a dumb error. So alright, perfect. So now if we go over inside, and we should be able to, here we're grabbing on the dumbbell. Okay, pretty interesting. Next up, we're going to add a server script service, a script inside that, and we're going to start scripting. We're going to say local players equals game get service players. We're going to say local function leaderboard board function. I can't spell today. Okay, we're going to say player. And oopsie, sorry. I'm going to say local leader stats equals. We're going to say instance dot new folder leader stats dot name equals leader stats dot parent equals player here. Okay, make 2 spaces, 3 spaces actually. Local strength equals instance dot new. We're gonna say in value. Easy. Next up, we're gonna say what we're gonna say the strength dot name equals strength. Next up, easy, strength. Oh my god, I can't even spell anything. Strength. How? I should be spelling this right. Wait, what? Dot parent equals leader stats. Their stats. Finally, strength dot value equals 0. So we're not gonna make any saving yet. We're gonna make saving probably the next episode. So player added double connect. We're gonna make the basics of the simulator now. We're gonna get into more advanced stuff in the next. What am I doing? So I'm just gonna say double connect. We already made the function, so okay. We're gonna get rid of that and just put it like that. Okay, so now if we play, we should have a leader stats. Let's actually save this to, I don't know, sim game TT. Sorry, you don't have to give the same name than me. So if we play now, we should have a tool. We could grab on it, and we should have a leader stats. Okay, super easy. Nothing too complicated there. Yes, strength, perfect. So it's not saving yet. That means if you quit and come back, you will not save, and we will do this in the next tutorial. Well, so just stay tuned. Make sure to drop a like, notification bell, so you know whenever it comes out, and you can continue your stuff. So next up, we're gonna insert a script. Let's actually insert a local script into the handle. Local script. Well, into the tool actually. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna say, well, actually, we're gonna insert a remote event, and we're gonna call it click. So we're gonna say, oops, didn't mean to do that. You're gonna say local r equals game dot replicated storage dot click. R dot on claim, no, it's gonna be dot, what was it, fire server. Okay, and we're gonna say, well, actually, we're just gonna keep that for later. So we're gonna say tool, so script dot parent dot activated double connect function, and we're simply gonna say r dot fire server. Oh, sorry, fire server. All right. So I think it's pretty simple, and we're gonna print just to check to be sure that it's fired properly. Print fired. Okay, so we're just gonna say here quickly fired event, and yeah, this is pretty much what we're gonna do for now. Okay, perfect. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go over in the script here, and we're gonna make a few spaces, and we're gonna say local r equals game dot replicated storage dot click, and so we're gonna say r dot on server event double dot connect function colon connect function, and we're gonna say, well, player. So okay, sounds good. We're gonna do player the leader stats dot strength dot value equals, copy that, paste, plus 5. So it should actually be working now. So let's see. Okay. We take the tool, we click, and bam, it says fired here. So now we're sure it works, and we know it works. So yep, it's firing the event, and yeah, it's working, and it's secured. So yeah, sounds good. So now we can okay. So here you already have the basic simulator done. So yeah, cool. But we're not gonna stop here. It's gonna be pretty long for the first episode, and as well there's gonna be several other episodes, because obviously I'm going to be showing you how to make everything from scratch. And yeah, it's gonna be a pretty big thing. So yeah, okay. Next up, sorry if you hear my computer in the background. Next up, let me actually just do this. Okay, so what we're gonna do next, so let me think. So we got the leader stats, we got the tool. What else would we need? Probably we're gonna need, well, let's make a sell place. Okay, so we're gonna go over in the script, and we're gonna add another value, local well, cache equals instance dot new, and value again, we're gonna say cache dot name equals cache simple, and cache dot value equals 0. So okay, we should have the other leader sets now. We're going to insert a part, and let's actually delete this, and let's insert a cylinder. Put this like that. Going to squeeze this as small as thin. We need to make it thin. Make this a bit bigger. Now let's rotate this. Okay, so it's actually just add a little increment, so we know that it's going to be the perfectly in the perfect angle. So okay, all right, seems good. So next up, we're going to change the brick color to green or whatever you want, and change the material to neon. It's gonna look really shiny, a bit too shiny. So what we're gonna do, we're going to go over and crank up the transparency. That's a little trick I do, and it just makes it less shiny. So if I crank it up, as you can see, it gets less shiny. And I would let it at somewhere like this, maybe a bit more actually, 0.3, somewhere you can see it's shiny but not too shiny. So yeah, perfect. So let's actually insert now a script into this, and let's begin. And we're gonna say local players equals game $get service players. So I think we're gonna need that. So we're gonna say, actually I don't think we're gonna need that. So local part equals script dot parent, and we're gonna say part dot touched dot connect connect. Every time I say double dot instead of colon, so connect function, and we're gonna say player. So actually let's just say hit. Okay, so let's say local h equals hit dot parent colon find first child humanoid. So we're checking if the person who's colliding, or the object or whatever it is who's colliding, has a humanoid. That means if it's alive, if it's a character, I guess. Or no, not necessarily a character, if it's alive, I guess. So h, so we're gonna say if h, then local player equals game. So it's actually game, yeah, dot players dot we're gonna say, so get play from character, and we're gonna say hit dot parent, and we're gonna say if player, then local selling equals player dot leader stats dot dot strength, and we're gonna say local getting, or whatever it is, equals player dot leader stats dot cash. So we're gonna say selling, so actually we're gonna say getting dot value equals getting dot value plus selling dot value, and we're gonna say real quick here, selling dot value equals 0. So I think this should work, and we should be able to sell now in the sell place. So yeah, pretty interesting. Let's see if it works. We play, and we actually don't have the leader sets of cash yet. So let's see what's wrong in the script. This script. So cash. So I literally forgot to assign the cash's parent. So cash dot parent equals leader sets. All right, sounds good now. If we play, it should be working. Boom, and both of them. So now we can get strength, and let's see if we can sell. Bam, we sell. Yep, we can sell, and we can get cash. So we can get strength and sell it to cash. So it's already cool. So we already have the basics of the simulator done. Now let's get the anchor property and put this on. Let's delete that, and let's actually now do a bit of the UIs, and that's going to be it for this tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe as well, again, to get notified whenever the other part of the tutorials comes out, because I'm going to make part 2, part 3, and part 4, where I'm going to show you how to do everything else in the simulator. Okay, so we're going to call this main UI, and I'm just going to add a text button. Well, no, we're not going to need that yet. We're not going to do that yet. So we're going to add a text label. And you know, in the simulators, there's just a text label who shows the amount of whatever you have. In our case, it's going to be the amount of strength. Well, we're going to do the same. So we're going to put this around like blue. Let's copy that. And let's duplicate that. And put it here. and it already has the same color, so perfect. And we call this like I don't know, text cache, and the other one we're gonna call it text strength. Let's save our project. Make sure to save so you don't lose any progress. And let's find the text, and we're gonna change the color of the text to white. Let's do the same for this one. We're gonna find the text color and change it to white. Next up, we're going to find the outline of both of them and crank that up to 0. Okay, perfect. So here, now it looks nice and clear. And next up, we're going to actually get, for both of them, text scaled and put that up. So now the text is nice and scaled. Alright, so now let's get into the scripting. Let's actually add a, well, let's make it a local script. So add a local script for both. And sounds good. Let's actually go in this local script, and we're gonna say local lp equals game dot players dot local player. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna say script dot parent dot text equals, let's actually do a real quick while true do wait 0.1, copy this, get rid of that, paste that, and equals well, let's say lp dot cache dot value. So this is strength 1, so we're gonna say strength. And let's just actually copy that and paste it here, and let's just make it cache. Okay, so if we play, it should be working, and we should have the amount of cache and strength displayed. Nope. So game the players out. So I just forgot to actually, I didn't put the right direction. Dot leader stats dot strength. That was a dumb error again because I'm going too fast, but easy fix. Alright, so here, let's actually do something else, and let's actually say cache. So let's actually add a cache icon, which coin. Okay, weird. So let's see, where is that? Cache, whatever it is. Cache, come on, where are you? Ah, here. That's a good one. Okay, sounds good. So, and we're gonna go over here, dot dot, and let's copy that, paste it here, and let's change this to strength, which is gonna be like, I don't know, muscle, and we're gonna put that here. So, here, we're gonna keep it like that for now, and let's see how it looks. Okay, boom. So now if I get strength, I get strength, and I don't get strength here. And let's just see, what did I do? Wait, what you do? Wait, 1. So scalar parent dot text equals dot cache dot value. Whoa, that should not be cache, that should be strength, because I pasted it and I didn't even change it. So okay, let's try again. Okay, and yeah, it's working. Perfect. So yeah, sounds good. Cell, bam. 5 cell, bam. And yeah, this is the basics of a simulator. 110 plus 90 should be 200. Yeah, quick math. So yeah, this is pretty much it for the first tutorial, I think. And in the next tutorial, I'm going to be learning you how to make a shop where you're going to be able to buy items, and as well we're going to add a data store to actually, I'm just going to show you how to make a shop, and a data store added to the shop with a data store added to the values, and that's going to be it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and yeah, it will be really appreciated because I did a lot of effort just scripting for this video, and yeah, it's probably going to help you a lot. So make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you like this video, and yeah, Have a nice day. This is Blox Devs, and I'm now out.